We're going to make these rich, delicious chocolate and peanut butter no-bake cookies using only these 5 ingredients right now on the Crumbiest. So we're going to start with our favorite large mixing bowl, and we're going to drop in 1 stick of softened butter. That's about half a cup. And if you do get a fingerprint in your butter from trying to get it out of the wrapper because it's so soft, maybe don't try smoothing it out because it just makes everything worse. So next we're going to add 2 cups of creamy peanut butter to our softened butter and stir them together to create peanut butter. So when I was done fighting with the peanut butter in this jar, I realized I had about half a jar left. So you could use an entire full small jar and skip all this measuring. So here comes the part of the recipe where we start to get a workout. And with any typical workout, we're going to warm up with a little light version of the exercise we're about to do. So we're going to cream our peanut butter and our butter. And with our butter softened to room temperature, it easily combines with the peanut butter. Now that our muscles are nice and limbered up, we can add 2 cups of powdered sugar. So stir the powdered sugar gently to combine it with the peanut butter and butter mixture. If you need to take a little break, it's okay. This is hard work. That is why we warmed up after all. So after a few minutes of mixing the powdered sugar and the butter together, we've gotten a good workout in, and we're about to climb that last hill. Now we add 3 cups of crispy rice cereal. You know, the snappy poppy kind. And we're going to mix this together the best we can. Now, I don't own a Peloton, but if I did, I imagine that those commercials you see with the Peloton trainers urging you on, you can do this, you got this, feel the burn. That's what I'm thinking right now. You got this. You got this. Feel the burn. You can do this. You'll be on the leaderboard, whatever that means. Now that we have the mixture all together, we're ready to pour this into a buttered pan. Pressing the mixture down together firmly to the edges of the pan so it all comes together and there's no spaces. Next we're going to take a bag of our favorite flavor of chocolate chips. I like semi-sweet. We're going to microwave that 3 times for 30 seconds each time, stirring in between. After the 3rd time, everything should be nice and creamy and ready to spread on top of our no-bake cookie mixture. I think this is the most satisfying part, as you get that beautiful melted chocolate covering all that hard work that you just did. It looks so smooth and perfect. Now we just pop that in the refrigerator to chill for a few hours. Now if your chocolate's too thick and it's too cold when you pull it out of the refrigerator, you may have to score it to cut through if you can't wait, like me. And it might cost you a piece when you're trying to get it out. But that sacrificial piece is your sample. And hey, you worked hard for this. Just because it's a no-bake treat doesn't mean you didn't get a workout. You deserve it. These no-bake cookies are rich and light and filled with peanut butter chocolate flavor. And I know you're not going to have any problem sharing these with your friends.